Welcome guys, so today I am with Huawei FreeBuds Pro 2 and we are going to check how to charge this FreeBuds by using the wireless charger. So at first, for sure, this charger you have to connect to electricity, and then you have to put this charging case close on this side. So put it like that, and when you make it, just take a look. This indicator at the bottom will turn to the orange when I'm gonna move it. As you can see, it's not charging. So, and I'm gonna put it back. I have to move it a little bit to the middle, and right now it's working. Also on my charging. On my charger there's the light, and when it's charging any device it also light up on the white. When I'm gonna remove it, it will disappear, as you can see. So yeah, if you are looking for an answer, you can charge this earbuds wireless, and you have to put it like that on the middle until this indicator right here turns to the green. So that's all for this video. If you find it helpful, just remember to like, comment and subscribe.